about aligning your trading rules to market conditions and then being aligned yourself in order to follow those conditions. So this is a case where the trader has very specific trading rules, and we've set up this 2x2 matrix. We're going to say he's made good decisions to follow his rules, bad decisions not to follow his rules. His trades had unprofitable outcomes or profitable outcomes. This is the same way as if you're playing poker. You played the hand correctly and you either win or lose money, or you played the hand incorrectly and you either win or lose money. Sometimes you can play poorly and make money because that's the way the cards fall. That's dangerous because that teaches you bad habits. So let's start with when he followed his rules and he made money. That happened 39% of the time. When he followed his rules and didn't make money, that happened 15% of the time. So his winning rate to losing rate was 2.5 to 1. His average win was $494. Average loss was $253. 171 trades here, 228 trades there. That's net of fees. So he's got a win rate of 2.5 to 1 and a payoff rate of nearly 2 to 1. Now you like that. So that netted him 112, lost 43, so net 80. When he was not following his rules or made poor decisions, his win rate was 17%, his losing trade rate was 30%. So now the coin flip is 2 losses for every 1 win, and the average loss was minus 394. Average win was 425, almost a wash. So this is a 2 to 1 adverse payoff that pays 1 to 1. And so the losing trades lost 87, the winning trades won 49, so that's a negative 40. You take the plus 80 and the minus 40. His net of all was 40. And this is reasons why, when you have good rules, you follow them. Because you'll remember the ones that you violated the rules and you just got lucky and you think that's you just got lucky. So make good rules, follow your good rules. Thanks for your kind attention.